raffle. You won yourself a miniature golf set. I'm going to give it in half an hour. Check my hand, please. Thank you very much and congratulations. Let's have a look at your machine. Oh wow, that's a boss little one, isn't it? You find some gold with that, mate? Yeah. Thanks, Connor. Bye. Just about to announce the winner of the raffle prize. Brody McDuddy. What's your raffle number, mate? You forgot, but I remember. It's okay. Remember. 311, wasn't it, mate? Okay. You're going an Easter egg. Congratulations. You can collect it in a bit. Okay. Well done. Little bit of bygone England. If he doesn't moor, to be using this swing bridge. Leeds Liverpool Canal, West Lancashire. I think he's coming to moor. Maybe they've got to pull up here while they do the bridge. Still waters, run deep. Hello there. Hiya. Smile, you're on candid camera. Lovely boat. Yeah, not so bad. Just having a breather. What are you doing? You spinning the bridge? Anyway, we'll leave the chap to go about his business.